Children, here we are going to discuss the second numerical of the relative density. Okay, firstly we should read the question. Actually, the volume of the solid of the mass 500 gram is 350 centimeter cube. The first part of this question is asking what is the density of the solid. So, what will be the density of solid? We know that the density is equal to what? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay. So what is the mass of the solid? Mass of the solid is 500 gram. And what is its volume? That is 350. Okay. So if we will solve it, then what will be its value? It will be 10 upon 7. That is 1.42 what? Gram per centimeter cube. That is a density of the solid. I think so this one part is very clear to you. How can we calculate the density of the solid? We know that the density is equal to mass upon volume. So here it is given that the mass is 500 and the volume is 350. So it should be 500 upon 350. It means that 10 upon 7, and whenever we will divide, we will get the value that is 1.42. Okay. In the second part of the question is that what will be the mass of the water displaced by the solid? And we know that the solid can displace the water equal to its volume. जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम होगा उतना ही वाटर तो डिस्प्लेस होगा. जितना उसका खुद का वॉल्यूम होगा उतना ही वाटर तो वो डिस्प्लेस करेगा. It means that the mass of volume of the displaced water will be equal to the volume of the solid. What is the volume of the solid? The volume of the solid is 350 centimeter cube. So it is very obvious that the volume of the displaced water will also be equal to 350 centimeter cube. So volume of displaced water will be equal to 350 centimeter cube. Okay. Now we know that density equal to what? Mass upon volume. We know that the density of the water is what? Density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. And what is the mass? We don't know what is the mass of the water, displaced water. We have to calculate it. But what is the volume of the displaced water? Displaced water का volume कितना है बच्चे? It is 350. Okay. So now cross multiply. So it will be 1 into 350. Okay, will be equal to mass of the water. Volume of mass of the displaced water will be equal to 350. Okay. So whenever any object is displacing the water, okay, then its volume will be equal to the volume of the displaced water. जितना उसका खुद का वॉल्यूम होगा उतना ही वाटर तो वो डिस्प्लेस भी कर पाएगा. इसका मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम और डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर का वॉल्यूम हमेशा इक्वल होता है. ओके. सो इफ वॉल्यूम इज गिवन, डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर इज नोन, देन वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट इट्स मास. So we can calculate the mass of the displaced water. ठीक है. डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर का वॉल्यूम आपको पता चल गया जो किसके इक्वल है? ऑब्जेक्ट के वॉल्यूम के. मास आपको नहीं पता, कैलकुलेट कर लोगे क्योंकि आपको डेंसिटी वाटर की नोन है. In the third part of the question we have to calculate the relative density of the solid. So what is the formula for calculating the relative density of the substance? So relative density of the solid is equal to what? Density of substance. It means that here the density of solid upon density of water. Because we know that what is the relative density of the substance? That is the density of the substance upon density of the water. So what is the density of the substance? We will put here these two values for calculating the relative density. What is the density of the solid? In the first part of the question we have 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. And then in the second part we have calculated, actually we know that what is the density of the water? It is 1. So its value will be 1.42. ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब से ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो द आंसर विल बी 1.42. याद रखिएगा, देयर इज नो यूनिट ऑफ रिलेटिव डेंसिटी. रिलेटिव डेंसिटी की कोई यूनिट नहीं होती है, क्योंकि इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द टू डेंसिटीज, दैट इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द सॉलिड और द डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर. सो दीज विल कैंसिल आउट, है ना, उनके यूनिट्स एक दूसरे को कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे. तो रिलेटिव डेंसिटी की क्या यूनिट होगी? कोई यूनिट नहीं होती है. सो देयर इज नो unit of the relative density. Fourth part of the question is, will it float or sink in water? So we know that any object will sink in water whenever its density will be greater than the density of the water. ठीक है, अगर उसकी डेंसिटी वाटर की डेंसिटी से ज्यादा है then it will sink, otherwise it will float. So here what is the density of the solid? It is 1.42. And what is the density of the water? That is 1. So it is very obvious that the density of the solid is greater than the density of the water. So it will sink. ठीक है, कभी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की डेंसिटी अगर वाटर की डेंसिटी से ज्यादा है, आपको पता है कि कोई भी चीज जितनी ज्यादा डेंसर होती है वो लोअर लेयर ऑक्यूपाई करती है. टू लेयर्स ऑफ द लिक्विड्स आर देयर, दे हैव द डिफरेंट डेंसिटी. ओके, so which one will occupy the lower layer? Of course whose density will be high. जिसकी डेंसिटी हाई होती है वो लोअर लेयर ऑक्यूपाई करती है, जिसकी डेंसिटी ज्यादा होती है वो ऊपर जाता है ना. डेंसिटी ज्यादा होती है तो वो हमेशा नीचे की तरफ होता है. सो इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट इफ द डेंसिटी ऑफ द सॉलिड इज ग्रेटर देन द डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर, इट विल सिंक. सो हियर व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द सॉलिड? इट इज 1.42. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल सिंक. सो नाउ सॉलिड विल सिंक. That is its answer. So I think so this part of the numerical is very clear to you all.